By my brother, I prepared an AutoCAD video course step by step. You learn AutoCAD very quickly because the information from videos is step by step because of the teacher who create these videos for teaching AutoCAD. This is a very easy way how you become advanced in AutoCAD from beginner because AutoCAD videos are step by step. Go to my website and register for an AutoCAD video course. Learn AutoCAD video course step by step. Good luck. Bye, Mila.